Hello, this is the VRE data system, and what I'm going to talk about in this video is how to retrieve priors for a given study that's been selected and have them contain the same patient identifier, patient name, and patient ID across all the different copies of the priors, regardless of modality that's been selected. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Query tab, use DICOM tags and modality to choose your modality, pick a study, go to the Retrieve tab, enter in your email. This is your email address. Okay. For example, I'll put mine. Okay. Put in any subject you want. Okay. I'll put a test here. It's only a test value. You can enter any value. Be sure to put your email address on the GE network in this space, not the value that I've put here for this demonstration. For DICOM SCP, you're going to put the AE title, which will be the DICOM AE title of the PACS you're pushing the data to, not this value. This is a value for my demonstration. Put the IP address of the PACS or the server you're pushing to. Again, this is the loopback address only used for this demonstration, and the report and the port for the server. Put the patient name. These are test values for the sake of this demonstration only. And the new feature is right here at the bottom. Create priors. A simple way to use this would be to click the checkbox for create priors. Enter in, for example, 10. You could enter 20. For this example, we'll just do 10 priors. When you click Retrieve Selected Series, the DICOM SCP will receive those studies. Will receive one copy with a date set from today's date backwards 1 day for each of these priors. So there'll be 10 copies. Each one will go from the date of the system now and go sequentially in reverse to the previous day, the day before that, etc. And it'll send those to the PACS. Once you hit Retrieve Selected Series and that data has transferred, you can simply go back to the Query tab, leave everything else the same, enter a new modality, for example, like CT, query for that data. Give it a moment to retrieve it all. Pick one of those studies. I'll select the small one. Go to the Retrieve tab. Again, the patient information, patient ID, etc. is all the same. You'll have priors. Everything's been selected. You'll just say retrieve that selected series. And it'll create 10 copies. Again, this could be 50 if you wanted. You could put 50, 100. That's quite a bit, but you could do it. And when you retrieve them, it'll put a copy, and there'll be a prior for each previous day from now going backwards in time. The timestamp for each of them will be 11 a.m., and the date will obviously be the appropriate date. For more granular control, you can view the previous video I created for creating priors using the VRE simulator. I added this feature because it was easy. I thought it would be much easier for users to use.